Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can create a customer in Netsuite. So let's get started. To create a new customer in Netsuite, start by using the search bar and navigate to the Customers page. Once you're there, click on the New Customer button to open the customer creation form. Depending on how your Netsuite account is configured, you may see different custom forms and fields. The layout and available options can vary from one company to another, so don't worry if your screen looks a little different. When filling out the form, focus on completing the required fields first. You can always come back later to add additional information if needed. As you continue using NetSuite, you'll become familiar with which fields are most important for your business processes. A helpful tip is to use the Contacts tab to add customer contacts. Instead of storing only a single email address or phone number, the Contacts section allows you to keep multiple contact records for the same customer. This can make customer management much easier, especially when working with larger organizations that have several points of contact. After entering the necessary details and reviewing the information, click Save to create the customer record. Your new customer will then be added to NetSuite and ready to use for future transactions and activities. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.